Here you go, guys. The celery, ginger, lemon, lime shot. Ginger. So, cheers, cheers. Oh wow, it's so good. You can taste the very strong taste of celery and the ginger. It's very strong. Oh my god, this is really good. So for the healthy living, guys, this is good antioxidant for arthritis, for high blood pressure, for your kidney. It cleans your kidney and your liver. So liver detox and kidney. Hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I'm here now and my garden here in White Rock in my boss house. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I have a Russian garlic. So my boss bought a Russian garlic, but he doesn't use it. So I'm gonna plant it or grow it in the garden area. Here, that's the garden. So let's go. So these are the Artemisa in mint. It's drying already because of very cold weather. Today it's like 0 degrees, midnight or -4. So look at that, my sayote, it's dried up already. So what I'm gonna do, yesterday I transferred some celery here because the celery doesn't grow big when it's sitting together like that one. So who wants to buy a celery plants? Organic. So only $3, or if you want a big one, $5. So I'm gonna use, see guys, it's all compost here. My friend, she just stuck all the compost here, doesn't put under the soil. If I'm the one who gonna throw the compost, I dig the soil and put it under. So the rest, I'm gonna plant the garlic here in this area, and then I'm gonna harvest celery now because I'm gonna make a celery shot. So I'm gonna because celery is good for losing weight. So celery shot with lemon and lime. So many celery. See guys, behind me is the ocean view. It's very cold today. So I'm gonna harvest celery and then I'm gonna plant a Russian garlic. Ang lalaki niya, no, yung puso niya. Isang puso. Kuha nga ako ng isang, hindi na pala puso, pinaghiwa-hiwalay ko na siya. Ang laki guys, tingnan niyo, 3 daliri ko, isang clove ng garlic ko. Kasi laki pag pinagsama ko yung 3 daliri ko, ayan siya. Laki, di ba? Russian garlic. So ang ano nito, ang tapang nito, ang very strong, pati yung smell niya. So nakagawa na ako ng nag-ferment na ako ngayon. Dami, grabe, kailangan kong ano to. So ilang piraso lang to, 18 pieces lang. Sinamahan, yung Russian garlic nasa 10 pieces lang, tapos 18 yung hindi Russian garlic. So ito, ayan oh. Ayun oh. Diba? Ayan, itong maliliit. Yan, hindi yan Russian garlic. Ito lang na malalaki, jumbo size. Diba kumpara guys sa parang kakatingot lang yung yung regular garlic. Yung Russian garlic super laki, jumbo. So ayan lagyan na natin. Kailangan kasi malalim hindi masyadong malalim. So laliman natin. Wala kasi yung pang tusok. Kailangan kasi mga 5 inches yung lalim niya Nakalubog sa lupa. Ayan. So yun na siya. Tapos tabunan na natin. Ayan. So. Maganda sana guys kung yung bilog ang pang tusok. Ayan. Ayan, lalim na yan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, diba? Super lalim. Ayan, may ano pa, may worm. Ayan, pag magtatanim kayo, kailangan laging ganyan. Ito yung nasa ilalim yan, oh. Yung pwede ang nasa ilalim. Ganda ng lupa dito kasi sagana sa compost to eh. Dito na talaga namin tinatapon yung compost ng pagkain. At saka may magdig. Buti na lang hindi tumigas yung lupa dito. Kasi hindi pa nag-snow eh. Guys, kahit saan ako mapunta guys, lagi ako nagtatanim kasi gusto ko talaga may sarili akong organic na hina-harvest. Laki oh, jambong Russian garlic. Yan. Yan, diba? Lalim. Nagitawan ng mga bulati or worms or bulati nga. Bulati sa Tagalog, worms sa English. Ay, maliliit na ito. Tapos yung meron pa isa Russian garlic. So ilan ang Russian garlic? Tingnan ko nga. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 pieces pala yung Russian garlic ko. Daming worms. So, ang taba ng lupa kasi ang daming compost. Yan. Ito, yan, mga compost yun guys. Oh. Tambak lang yan dyan. Kasi magiging pataba yan sa garlic. Tsaka sa ibang plants. Hi guys, harvesting my celery. Dami nito. So I'm gonna make a celery shot. So this is good for losing weight. for diet because I'm doing just 1 meal a day. So this is gonna be my juice. So this is all organic. So and no spray, no pesticide. Yung kasabihang pag may itinanim, may kakainin. Pag may itinanim, may aanihin, which is true. And I didn't expect this, guys, that it's gonna be like this so many celery. It start only from the, you know, the celery that we put in the store. And I throw her the compost or the garbage, that's the, yeah, the compost of celery. And then I just put on a soil and it's grow. It's very cool talaga. Malamig talaga, guys. Malamig, malamig. Super, super lamig. Who wants to buy a celery plant? So you can have the plant. Just message me, PM me, $3, one celery plant. And you're gonna have your own organic celery at home. Ang atangkay lang ang kinukuha ko, guys, kasi para ang celery kasi, guys, namunga yung tinanim kong basura na celery. Nabuhay siya, namunga, hindi na siya nagdahon kasi nga yung mga nabibili sa store, organic na celery binili namin. Tapos tinanim ko siya, tinusok ko lang dito sa lupa, nabuhay. Tapos this is 1 year and a half already, this celery. From the seeds. So from the seeds, guys. Namunga ng bonggang-bongga yung tinanim kong ilang piraso, tapos kumalat siya dito sa aming bed garden. Kaya ito, supposed to be ano to eh, ito supposed to be strawberry box. Ang nangyari, naging celery box siya sa dami ng celery tumubo. So lahat ng seeds ng celery na tinanim ko from the garbage or from the celery scrap, ito na siya. Natalo yung ano, yung strawberry dito. May strawberry pa rin, kaya lang ilan lang yung strawberry na natakpan siya ng celery kasi syempre naman matangkad yung celery, yung strawberry pantatiko. Ano talaga nang matangkad yung ano no, yung mga pandak natatabunan. Pero meron pa din, hindi nagsusurvive pa din yung ano niya. Nagsusurvive pa din yung mga strawberry hanggang ngayon buhay pa. Pag ano, spring, during spring, gaganda to kasi tatanggalin ko yung ibang celery dito sa springtime. I will remove some celery here on the springtime. So the strawberry can manage themselves because it's mainly strawberry as well. Lamig, lamig, lamig. Maliliit lang so yung organic celery ko, guys, kasi super dami siya as in kumpul-kumpul kaya hindi siya masyadong lumaki. Kumbaga nag-aagawan sila sa yung lupa. Kasi sobrang dami nila. Parang kung sa tao hindi makahinga, ipit na ipit. Kaya siyempre maliliit siya, gagawin ko na lang siyang juice. So pure celery juice, which is good for losing weight. Sabi ko sa aking friend, bakit hindi niya hinang-harvest? Eh, tamad daw siyang mag-harvest, saka wala na siyang time mag-harvest. So, ngayon, nandito ako mag-harvest, diba? Tagaan din kasi, guys, talaga ang mag-garden. You need to have a lot of patience for your garden. Time, you need to spend time. You talk to I talk to my plants. That's why they grow really good. Because I keep talking to them. Hindi na siya nagkaroon ng damo na talo ng celery. Parang yung celery tuloy ang naging damo sa sobrang kapal. Ay, marami-rami na siya. Pero pag na-juice siya, pag na nakarami ako nito, guys. Ayan pa, oh. It's so foggy today, guys. That's why you couldn't see properly my face on the video, on the far. Look at the ocean, guys. It looks like a lot of fog. See, it's so foggy on the ocean. You see, guys, that white, it looks like a clouds. It's foggy, fogs in the ocean. So ito yung aking honeyberry. Ayan, oh. Nagkakaroon na siya ng mga dahon at bulaklak. See, guys, I have so many plants in the pots. Kasi this 5 garden bed is not enough for my planting. Oh my God, nagkakarani nose na ako sa lamig. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh, nagkarani nose ako sa sobrang lamig. It's very foggy talaga, oh. Diba? Hindi nyo masyadong makita yung dagat. See, guys, after I harvested the celery, pinugot ko na siya, oh. I harvested the celery, the thick celery here. And now, here you go. I leave some
Just in case some people wanna, wanna ask me for some. And for the, see guys, so many. Panigurado, meron ako nitong celery shot for 2 weeks. See guys? So, di ba? Bakit di ko yan pakinabangan, no? Pinapamigay ko lang yan. I always give it away for free, guys. But now, I'm gonna do it for myself. The healthy shot. See, I'm gonna make a lot of celery juice with lemon and ginger. Celery shot. It's a very healthy, good for diet. Yay! Diba? Ang dami, oh. Sus, Ginoo. Sa bagay, 3 naman kaming iinom. Yung friend ko tapos si bossing namin. Yan, diba? Ganda. Super dami. Pang celery shot. At ito, meron pa dito, oh. Siguro ito ibibigay ko sa aking isang friend. Hindi yung friend na kasama ko dito sa bahay. Kasi pwede naman siya mag-harvest lagi. Uy, nangalaglag na sa dami, oh. Tambak ko. Kailangan ko ng sako. Isang sako to. Yan, isang sako yan. O, diba? You know what? I harvested the celery because when it's become -10 or it's gonna be frozen, so it's gonna be wasted. So I don't wanna waste it. You know, I work hard for this garden before, so at least now it's a harvest time. See, 1 year, guys. After 1 year, I got this so many celery. I didn't expect to get a lot of celery. I need to get a big bag for the celery. Whew, super lamig talaga. Ayan guys, so apaw sa aming sink ang celery na harvest ko kasi hinuhugasan ko to eh. Kahit pa organic to, kailangan hugasan mabuti kasi may mga buha-buhangin eh. Yan, habang naghuhugas tayo, nire-ready ko naman ang ating juicer. So this is the Breville juicer, guys. This is I always use. Ready muna natin yan. I-attach one by one. So, this is it now. I put this garbage bag on where the compost gonna come out and the juice gonna come out here. So, I don't have to wash the one that holding for the compost. See guys. And now, let's try this one. Now, I'm gonna make the celery, lemon, ginger shot. So together, 3 ingredients only. Usually I do so many ingredients, but I have lime also because it has to be partner lime and lemon. And all organic, the ginger, guys. See, I wash it. And for me and my friend, I'm gonna add apple. Only 2 apple because I have only 2 apple. And lemon. My lemon is no more skin, or I peel it already because I need it for making bar soap. So yeah, so that's why it's gone. But I have 1 lemon here that there's still a skin. So let's start the work now. Celery. Para mas kitang-kita nyo. Hindi masyadong makita. Ay, hindi pa pala nakasaksak. Saksak muna natin ito natin. Hold on. Hindi siya nakalakat ng ayos, guys. So, medyo ayusin natin ng konti. Bakit kaya? Hindi siya lumakat. Hindi kaya baliktad. Hindi mo. Green na green, guys, ang kulay ng aking celery, super green, hindi siya light kasi it's really organic.
kahit maliliit lang yung dahon ng aking celery, malaki ang pakinabang kapag ginawa nyo na siyang juice. At ilagay nyo siya sa pansit, ilagay nyo sa kung ano-anong mga niluluto nyo. At the best is ganito. Ilagay nyo sa... At syempre, lemon, lime, at ginger. Samahan pa natin ang isa pa. Dahil ito ay aming iinumin, lalagyan ko ng apple para manamis-namis. Dapat hirap ng kutsiligan. So, hindi magkakasya yung apple, so kailangan natin siyang biyakin. Kasi ito, iinumin namin ng aking friendship. Ang angang nito. 3 inches ba naman na ginger? Sorry guys, medyo maingay. So, dalawa kami here. So, here, they're going to drink the first juice. So, I'm gonna put 2 apples. Kasi guys, I'm not fan of apple. I don't like eating apple. So, that's why this apple is been like sitting in the fridge for more than a month. And I didn't consume. Now, it's a judgment. We're gonna try the celery, ginger, lemon, lime shot. We need a glass. Dang, halika dito. Mag-inuman tayo, Dang. So, here you go guys, see? Dala ka kutsara pala. Baka kutsara, kasi haluin natin. Para mag-mix yung ano niya, yung lemon tsaka yung celery. Tikman natin to. May ano to, may apple kasi pag panigurado super strong ito kapag ano. May apple. Ayan, puno na. Tikman, ikaw muna unang tikim. Anong lasa? Sarap no, kasi may apple. Dapat pala maraming apple. May apple ko ba si Amo? Eh, maraming celery. Kailangan balance. my friend complaining that there's a lot of ginger because it's like one big bowl of ginger. So, cheers, cheers. Oh wow, it's so good. You can taste the very strong taste of celery and the ginger. It's very strong. Oh my god, this is really good. So for the healthy living guys, this is good antioxidant for arthritis, for high blood pressure, for your kidney. It cleans your kidney and your liver. So liver detox and kidney. Very strong. Medyo mapait ng konti. It tastes a little bit spicy and bitter, the taste of celery leaves. It's so good. Oh my god. Woo. Parang nabuhay lahat ng ano ko, yung kalamnan. Yung dugo ko guys, my blood is like flowing from the legs going up to my brain. Wow, this is so good. I just drained, even my friends feel it. It's like the blood is running all around our body. Nabuhay ba? Nabuhay. Naging alive yung aming mga blood vessel. It's really good guys. So, it's so many. The celery I have to do, I think I'm gonna do it all day to finish the celery. Because I don't want to waste our celery. We work hard for this. See, and I'm just giving it away to some friends. So, of course, I need to use it for myself also for our, here in our work. And of course, in my boss house because this is our boss house. Wow guys, this is the best thing. Now I have to rinse again the celery. Now I think I'm gonna put this here. And the ginger more. It's as I have to balance when I'm doing the blender because you know when it's full, the pitcher here, I have to put in a jar or in a bottle that airtight lid. It's better if the lemon has a skin, but since last night I removed the skin of this because I need for making bar soap. So see guys, I don't waste anything. And the husk, the compost of this, is gonna going back to the plants. See this on the picture, it's gonna be like for 2 days because you just drink like that. I think 150 cc. Just half of the glass. It's very powerful, guys. Half on the small glass. But if your body you want more, you can drink full of this. But it's up to you because it's very strong the taste. So I have to continue washing the.
Let's continue do the celery washing here.
It's a lot of work, guys. Believe me. It's like sabi nga sa kasabihan sa Tagalog, abutin ka ng siyam-siyam. Kasi sa sobrang dami nito, it's so many of these tons of celery I harvested. So. And it's very powerful. It's very good for your liver and kidney detox, guys. So I'm gonna drink this maybe for 2 weeks. The celery that we have here, so many. Because this one no spray, no, it's all organic, so you don't have to like wash it too much or putting on like salt or whatever, you know. Because when it's organic, and a lot of minerals. That's the very important thing, guys. Because you know, like it's winter time and it's very cold. Today it's very cold. I feel like freezing outside when I'm picking this, when I'm harvesting the celery. So. This is a third wash already, guys, this one here. So, I'm very careful. And besides, we're using lemon and lime on juice. So, all the, you know, the germs is gonna be killed by lemon and lime. That's how it is. And it's gonna be preserved for, you know, until 2 weeks, this kind of juice, celery shot. So, when you make a juice, guys, even apple juice, always add lemon or lime. Or in the Philippines, you don't have lemon or lime, you can add calamansi. Put more calamansi on it so you can preserve your juice. Because if you don't add calamansi or any citrus, your juice, it's gonna be gone bad in 3 days in the fridge. So before, like few years ago, I keep drinking juice. I make myself, as you can see on my YouTube videos. You can check on my YouTube videos. I post different vegetables and fruits together. I make juices and drink that, and it's really good though. It keeps me healthy and strong. Guys, a lot of work doing this. That's why sometimes I'm lazy to do it as well. That's why a lot of people, they just want to buy juice, but the juices that you bought in the store, there's a lot of preservatives. So unlike this one, making it at home yourself, it's a lot of nutrients, and you are sure that it's really organic, especially if the fruits and vegetable is from your organic garden, like what I have in my organic garden. See, no spray, no pesticide, no chemical at all. So it's very healthy. And also, if you want to make it like longer, you can do freezing it. You can put in a freezer this kind of juice. So when you freeze it, it's gonna stay until like 6 months or maybe a year. I'm not sure because when I make a juice, I finish it like until 1 month. So it doesn't stay long for me because I drink it every day. Sometimes I drink it 3 times a day when I wanna drink it 3 times a day. So that's why, guys, I never get sick because all herbal. I do my herbal tea. I do like these juices and smoothie. It's been 2 years, guys, since I stopped flu vaccine. I never get flu. When I have flu vaccine, I always get flu. Like when I got flu vaccine 3 to 4 times a year, I got sick. I got flu because the flu vaccine is I don't know. So that's how it is. So I always have got flu when I do the flu vaccine. So that's why I stopped working in a healthcare. But I'm still a caregiver here in my boss house because I do the caregiver work here. So but all around. And it's very powerful, guys. This kind of drink, and it's gonna help you lose weight. That's why I'm only 1 meal a day. So this one is gonna really help me to lose some weight. Yun ang kagandahan, guys. Kapag sarili mong tanim, alam mong walang pesticide, walang fertilizer. Ang fertilizer nito ay lahat basura, galing sa kusina. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Yun sa umpisa ng video. So, lahat ng compost, tinatapon lang namin doon sa taniman nito. Kaya ang taba-taba niya, ang ganda ng dahon, green na green talaga, dark green. Hindi kagaya ng mga nabibili nyo sa store na celery, mapuputi yung dahon kasi yun, cultured yun. Ginamitan nyo ng mga pesticide, ginamitan ng hindi organic, yung mga fertilizer na pampalaki, pampataba. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya masyadong matataba yung aking celery. Mga payat kasi organic. Yung mga matatabang celery na bibili nyo, ay sus, Ginoo. Sagana sa yung fertilizer na yung hindi organic. Kahit sa store, guys, yung mga sinasabing organic na celery, tingnan nyo, medyo payat siya. Halos kalahati lang siya ng ng mga non-organic. Ito, dahil nga marami siya, nagsiksikan siya kasi nga masikip yung taniman. So, hindi siya masyadong lumaki kasi kulang siya sa, yung hangin. Kasi para din yung tao, kapag kulang sa lupa, hindi siya masyadong tataba. At isa pa, ang patabangan nito ay puro basura sa kusina. Okay. Let's continue the juicer.
Here you go, guys. The celery, ginger, lemon, lime shot. See, it's really color green. So this is good for one day each glass. So for tomorrow and Sunday. This is for my big boss. And this is for myself for Saturday and Sunday. So shake before drink. And I still have a lot of celery to juice. So I'm gonna make again on Monday to make it fresh.